other peoples. You're going to do a very quick corned beef, and it's not going to take long. Might fast forward the chopping and show you the process of what we're doing, and then show you the end result. So, chop up a couple of onions, put in there, carrots and potatoes. We're also going to put some vinegar, a couple of tablespoons of vinegar, and we've already put some salt in there. So I'm going to stop talking now because this is going to go very fast, and then you're going to see the end result. So we have our corned beef, and it's in a crock pot, and we're going to have it on number 3, and we're going to let this cook for like all day till tonight. So I think it's 11 o'clock now. Chuck our vegetables in. So simple. This is the easiest thing you'll ever do. Vinegar, and go 2 tablespoonfuls. Sorry about the camera moving. So 2 tablespoonfuls. So 1, 2. All we do now is we fill it up with water. So don't fill it up with hot water. Just fill it up with cold water. Wow, that's trying to work perfect. A little bit more. So everything's just floating there. Right. Put the lid on, turn it on, wait 6 hours, and we're done. So we will see you in about 6 hours for dinner. And it's so easy. It's so easy. This is corned beef in a crock pot, not a pressure cooker. It's a slow cooker. So we'll probably make some gravy at the end, and it's all good. See you in a minute. So our finishing touch is just the restaurante. You've got your beef here, and your onion, carrot, and potato. So it is as soft as soft. Honestly, that is so nice. I wish every meal could taste like that. So soft. We got the boys in the background. We got the kids in the background. We're not going to show you. We're just going to show you the meal, and we'll see you next time. Hope you liked the video. Quick and short. We're trying to make them quick and short so you know how to cook something so quick and easy and taste so delicious. All you got to do is cook it for a long time. See you next time. Bye.